did.
Back to working.
Oh.
All right, since the last time you've seen us, we did a little bit more to the car. We got the alignment buttoned up, we got the toe where it should be, got that all taken care of. Now what we've done here underneath the hood is we're starting to get it ready to put the, I guess we're gonna do the 1-wire generator on the thing to make it simpler. That way it's less likely to throw the guts out of it, because a lot of people don't realize the generators were never designed to run 65 mile an hour down the interstate. That sustained RPM is gonna just tear it up. So we got a 1-wire power gen to put back on the car. We're going to knock that out. We got a few more wire things we're doing. He has started on the Chrysler electronic ignition conversion, and he's going to hide all that, hide the boxes to that, so we're just knocking all out. Now, in the last week, since the last time you've seen us, we've been working on a few other cars. There's been a 62 300 we've done, an entire suspension, put it all back together. We've been working on that. And then also, you'll see back there, hidden underneath the garage door, Mike ended up driving the 59 DeSoto, which we ended up putting a set of tires on because the tires were 2013. Last thing we want to have happen is someone getting in an accident, bad tires, tire come apart, so we put a set of tires on it. Funny story though, those tires were for Herb's 59 Imperial, so he's going to order another set of tires. So we're going to put those on. We have also put a fuel pump on. It had the original fuel pump. Follow me over here real quick, I'll show you what came off of it. So just show you kind of what was going on with it. So we learned when he got back here to town after he parked the car that the fuel pump here with the original glass sight bowl on it, in between the gaskets, is actually leaking gas. So we put just a standard Carter type replacement pump on it, knocked it all out, got that together. And then lastly with the car, we did learn that these true spoke wheels, somehow I guess pulling the tires off agitated. They've had RTV or sealant all the way around it. There was a little area around one little spoke that we had to actually add more. Technically, we put RTV on it. It's sealed up, hasn't lost any PSI, but it's something we had to address over the last week. Because the last thing you want to do is get in your hot rod and have a flat tire. So these are wire spoke wheels, and what the problem was is right here with the wire spoke, this actually has a nut and a stud that goes in here. So you actually, when they tighten them, they can use this to straighten the wheel to make sure it's really nice.
Like a bicycle spoke.
Very similar, exactly how it works in theory. The only thing is, usually on a bicycle spoke, there's a rubber and then an inner tube. So these are tubeless radials. So what happens here is they've got a band all the way around this that has a sealant. It's like an RTV thickness to it all the way around it. And then once again, there was just a small little area, I'm guessing just where the bead where I separated the tire, it pinched it and pulled it off just enough where it was, you could put water on it and you could see the littlest of bubbles right here around the actual stud for the spoke. It was leaking there, so we sealed it back up. It was actually the back tire back there. As you can tell, still looks good. Now, next thing after we got that, after we get the 59 taken care of, the 59 Dodge, we got to put this back in here. One thing also Mike wants to address on this car is we're going to put an electronic fuel pump on it. That way, once again, after it sits a week or two, you can turn the switch on, let the fuel pump run a little bit. Same thing, you'll have the carburetor primed, pat the gas, fire right up. So right there is the new fuel pump that we put on. I had to make a new fuel line too to line it all up, but we replaced that fuel pump from there. You know what that is? That's
a rod bolt.
It is a water pump housing bolt, so it goes into it. And look how muddy that is. Ain't that pretty? I'm gonna clean that up for you if I can. That's pretty bad, to say the least. That's pretty bad. What's the problem? It's not charging. I can get to it, but I need someone to turn it.
You want me to turn it?
So the key to this is making sure not to drop all the hardware all over the floor or ground. Never fun trying to find them. Wait, did I put this one upside down? Shh. All right, so we got the new voltage regulator. Took the old one off. New voltage regulator. Back to working.